See, man, you must understand, man, that sometimes woman just under the stress and pressure. Pressure? Yeah, man, that man, you take it on the pressure. Long time old man.
Yes.
Man, man, have no bed.
Yeah.
He ain't sick of me about me. Yeah? He must have known to say, document from one, yeah? Look at him, man, you people here, you feel like the lady book this head on me.
Boy, yeah, man, that boy, where is the bread? Put that boy up in the breadfruit. No, we're not going
Play,
to.
man.
Zero. What's that, the bright here?
Yeah, talk to me now.
When I talk to him, I accommodate him aboard.
Then not shame. We're not to the dread.
You know, some seen this morning lying around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen this morning.
He must have got to my head from that shit.
You know, yeah, good when I had from you.
Let's say my head from the set 2 weeks from now, the boy I can't find him.
God, no.
Let's say me not one like head dog, let's see me like a dog from the man to mind the picture
If
there.
you work in bad music, when the boy breathed the first time and door for you had a picnic, what I say to you? Left him, but the gym switch behind my back and I take him. Eh? How you make good woman can't get money from man here? No, God, no man, yeah, like you, but my glass full of door, my glass full of like uno. I want to keep community in a peace. I want to make girls can walk at night because uno, that's up to nobody like you, phone care.
Sure. It's so many problems. That's not really company I'm talking about.
But yes, we never tell him about the
Too
truth.
much, man.
You don't want them to see a community where I rapists. I want them to make them when they see a pass and make it by your not split. They don't want you.
You know, sometimes, yes, I shit. I told Sammy a friend that you have one to take it up.
No, never see look out for you. Some ain't afraid. If you're not man, you pay them. Me not afraid. Me not afraid for that. Me just stop him, man. Your man drink and your man tea bag, your man get paid. Me know the man know the board. Yeah.
Well, you know, some Simon is 3 years ago. Come on, we wouldn't have to put them crosses there right now, you know.
Oh, your problem is this. It's your problem. Me and God is your problem.
Mr. Lashley,
Yeah.
listen to this, right? Imagine the dread one upon me as if they want to give it
What you say?
Actually, no one give me a dollar piece of the two people there.
You will stop the life on the poor man.
What you say? I said 2 grand.
Yeah, so you my pieces on my bike.
Actually, I can't swear like this is 2 grand.
Yeah, stop that lie. Yeah, you know it.
2 grand.
You get too much. You need to put 2 grand.
I'm too bright there work.
Hot girl? How you like that about hot girl? You hot girl? So hot work in the door. I don't know you want to go and put your guy and you the sign off.
I'm going, man.
Yeah, what I mean? Yeah, what I mean?
I'm going and I'll go to me now. Yes, what's that on me, bro? What's the law? Going, man.
Listen up. All right, girl, what's the boy got on?
You want to go going.
Oh,
What do I say?
hey, Francis, you wait, man. I'm going to tell you something. What? I'm going to tell you something.
Sometimes they don't get like the old cross.
Jesus. What
You
is
just
it?
get banging like Shelly.
Oh, Jesus.
That's what I keep saying.
How long are you
Next
here?
time I like it, I want to compare people to
Jesus.
man.
Man, I say Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Jesus made this. Look what I'm signal you. From birth.
So maybe, I thought you used to pick them money though. No one to pick them mug and throw it like them the pan dollar.
How y'all know the pan?
Yo!
You have to come man, you talk to me about it, man. You talk to me now. I 2 weeks from now, I'm too long to see that I can't find it. But guess what? Let's can't back here this with the promise and now let's get to the bed to pick the them up.
Maybe, which one you want? The picking them on your mother. So you have no money to get.
Oh, so you don't want to read me? Your brain may not open the cat there and tell me that. I'm not arguing with her in my head, yeah. You know what somebody might get to me, I know me, I read her. You ever seen me already? You're stuck. You're stuck on worry.
Keep on, it's like, again, I do it for sure.
But that's what I'm saying.
Then I'm cool. I know.
Hello. May the peace of God reign. May this is all breather.
Yeah, look at how he breathing.
Sammy is your breather?
No, I am.
No, stop it, man, for the poor unborn child. Stop it. Sammy is not your breather child.
No, I am.
They are afraid of the fact that I could have me to say what the I have. Never stand on board. It's not inside, I tell you.
Hey, yeah, good. In the blood, you have arm reacher. No, people, amnesia. So I can come on right here, you're out the other day.
So they remember Italy, when you die.
Watch
Very
it.
good, girl.
Then people can't ask about questions again.
Of course, that's when you come to me, or something I want to about come here. Why pay man and ask you for direction?
Direction to our bedroom.
How are you on my radio? What do you? Yeah, we're going to move on and we can rush it on. Look at that. If you want to start reading about CEO. Look, mommy. Yeah, right, but mommy, you're not going to let me.
But come on, don't take it somewhere else.
I'm not
That's
taking
the
it.
thing, man.
Oh, that's him on board.
Yeah.
Oh, Carlos.
Run, Kevin.
Run, Kevin.
Pick Charlie.
Pick Charlie.
Manteca. Sorry, we get caught up, we never remember how fast I move it. She's like a name strokes. So you put it in. Yeah, oh, girl, don't get us there. Right now, I don't really have no money still now. But let's see how big is it.
You just have 5 days I have time here right now still.
How much?
5 days.
No, never. Hold on. How much?
5 days.
I just see my big sale. From 2 going to 5 days.
I'm never so much.
Don't take it away! Don't take it! You break it all the way!
What you can do?
Never stop taking it! Lenny! Ladies, goody. Oh God, it's so good, so true. I'm gonna buy one for you, Ladies, me know the India, I'm still not going a while ago. Ladies, when the 2 tomatoes take Saturday night, I shouldn't go sorry if I can check the basket. People. People you have one in the camera. I'm begging a piece of ice, but me don't want it with a run so me take so gummy. That's hard to swallow. People.
Oh, yeah. What is it? Let me try.
People used to make us say, some of that water for picking maintenance.
Documentary says,
What a wicked dirty girl. And the boy was all tearing
such a
And
good
me, I said, what is the door hear me?
You know, some can't sleep at night time.
Why?
Activate man come here. And policeman and duty come here.
Allah, yes. Can I do over there?
Yes, you know what I mean.
Man, they register to here.
Yeah. Boy, my tell you, that is serious.
But see, so the reason why she want to let Sammy to Diego come from France, she want to take Diego.
Yeah,
And me, I can't hold you to Santa Claus. Yeah, man, it's a wicked girl, it's a wicked girl. I told her to she bring in the community.
yes, sir, look.
Man, tell her me, say this.
Not more not to the rock, you see. No, I can keep. You come where this one do. Okay, I see. Tell me can you hear something here. Here, look good though. You come early. What thing? I tell you what to do, you know. But you won't listen to me. But me person not buy it. I don't want to sample it. And if it tastes good, I mean, feel good. There's something you better than buy it. What? I mean, like, I shake it out. Oh, God. Whoa! Murder! I see everything. Oh, Lord, Shandala Makumbe, I feel it to my heart. Christ have mercy, girl. You look good. Holy daughter of Jerusalem, my soul seeketh your soul to be loved. Put on your yard then. The yard that is beautiful like beautiful diamonds. No, man. I love you, man. You know, I love you a long time. Come and come back for a while, man. You just put this girl in. That's it. All right, let's get here. All the box to me, you see, set in my own apartment, lie in my bed, and when you wake up, you hear paid in full. I want to live with something else. Oh, yeah, go on, son. Something like, oh, yeah, go on. So, give me 2 cigarettes now. All right. Yeah, so me girl love me, though, so take care of me. I'll give me a cold beer, then. You know what? That's really woman. That will pay people. Let me take this. Look at your mouth. Yeah. Go ahead. That one nice girl, man. Hey, boy. That's really boy. Hey, you see you? You couldn't give it out here now. Okay, I hope me. You can't hope me. You know, I broke him on. I hope me. You know, like, more things saying. You understand? Alright, so much. What do you want, man? You want what that, man? You know? It's a hope. Well, you can buy a hope, man. You know, I'm more baby. I give you one drink, man. Look at how much this, man. You know, that's some of it. Give me some of it. Oh, Christ, have mercy, man. Yes, you're a good girl. Somebody like you. This tastes just like you. Tastes nice, man. Listen, this tastes nice, man. Tastes just like you. Warm on steel like you. Hey, I taste it in my sleep, and when I wake up, I wake up. How you know what control it anyway? What's needed? What's needed? Better needed, sir. You're not chat to me, sir. You're not chat to me, I'm a preach, you're not see? You're not chat to me. How do you know I'm nervous? What do I do nervous? Get me to know, sir. How do you know this? How do you know so, man? Step forward. What? You see, all you roll and go on, you know one catch. And you want to catch, you see? You think it's a backward, pick up the garden. Yeah, so Jesus, keep up calm. Come on, man, catch rabies. Oh, my Lord. No, over there, son. No, over there, son. You better. Tree with God. Wow! All right, kid.
Keep on. Move on to the way. Come in here in the infection, so make antibiotic cure me. Some of them are worried that they don't argue with me. You argue with me, it's adorable. See, you don't get in about dead, but rest in peace. Me know the right back in our circle shell. Eh? The reason why I get out so much was that you my woman dead. If my woman never did, you put out so much out. I'm going to must get around woman, God. I'm going to know my woman and never find out them out sugar.
Hey, look, it's so good, man.
I mean, I want to get so good, people.
You're calling me to the war. Who's Charlie?
They get enough to say about that, though.
What do you mean?
The community too little for me and not say about that, though.
No, man, it's
You
me.
want to tell me where you drink it, steal my nigga up with the kid with the handbrake on it.
Oh, listen now. This place is big enough for calling us.
It's not big enough for the quarry and me alone to sell out your car.
Why traffic is in the world like that? That's all.
When I find out, I tell you.
When you are found out, you have to strip off.
Me not cook today, I see me dress like parachute. Find me not wear them clothes and me got cold.
What for?
Me say people are pay crosses that take me from the other day.
What do?
Last week I for beat a girl wickedly.
And what say?
Me say people are give some lick. A lick, come a lick. I just a lick over so. So me lick, God know, when I done the diesel.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Then what you do?
And when I'm done, I'm going to find out to the girl police.
You're the lucky should have shot you.
Yeah, yes, couldn't shoot me. Me not fight in a private, me fight in a public. You know what I mean? Me not want to come fight about it. Eh? She put me to what I will love it. So I have a part with it. Me not fight in a private, you not practice that there. You never argue with somebody, I don't know, from a can't imagine. And somebody just argue with them and I'm arguing, and somebody just jump me so when they get straight. Jump me for part, they say, ah, don't know, they say, yeah! That's some of you on that show. But when you be careful, I don't do it though. I don't want to promise me, say, but keep me till my week. And if I jump up and say, Lord, nobody will come, if I jump up, me get my strength. He can't even hang up on me! His friend move off of the way, I get so rapidly. They say they must have a charge for me.
Charge what for?
I say officer, I will never charge. But they say not charge for dangerous weapon. Oh, 2 minutes have no money to give them. Can you just have the police here? I'm going to on the right compound. Yes. They must have a charge. Officer, we have to take a dirty bitch. Uno. I can't pay Uno. They say not have a charge for me for dangerous weapon.
Dangerous weapon?
Yeah.
I'm good now.
Come tell them, so we never did it. We never did it. We're not charging for. There's a city on the money to do. We're charging them. Yes, it's true.
Traffic for what?
Dangerous weapon.
Weapon?
Yeah.
What kind of weapon?
No, my tongue, them say, man.